OWL is a learning management system used by Western University. OWL is the place where you can find all of your course-related information, such as your course syllabus and course content. It is a place where you will hand in your assignments, participate in course forums, and communicate with your professor. To access OWL, you can search Western University OWL in your web browser. You can type owl.uwo.ca in your web browser, or you can find it by going to www.uwo.ca, click on the Popular Links button in the upper right-hand corner of the page, and then scroll to the link for OWL. To log into OWL, you will use your Western ID and password. Your Western ID and password is the same ID and password that you will use to access your Western email, Student Center, and library account. If you do not know or cannot remember your Western ID or password, or are having difficulty logging into OWL, please contact the Western Technology Services Help Desk. Their contact information can be found at wts.uwo.ca.